Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is this Works Car Vacuum Cleaner. This mini vacuum for car or truck bed is compact, lightweight, and easy to use. The large dustbin capacity is ready for ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. A fully loaded interior car detailing kit housed in an ergonomic design. The cyclonic force and strong suction of the 106W motor will terminate any dirt or debris. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach crumbs stuck under the driver's seat. Our mini car vacuum even has a top-of-the-line washable HEPA filter. Its thoughtful design incorporates a clear, flat bottom for an easy-to-see dirt collection, and there is a built-in LED light for better visibility. Maintenance is simple with a washable double filter that uses industry-leading double HEPA filter technology. Plus, the ergonomic design is lightweight, weighing 2.4 pounds. Interior car cleaning kit includes 3 attachments: flathead, extendable, or brush nozzle for detailing, carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter. Must-have car accessories for men or women. These gadgets will keep the interior cute and tidy. Our second best handheld car vacuum is Black & Decker Handheld Vacuum. This handheld vacuum is ideal for dry surfaces and upholstery with a bagless dirt bowl and 35 Ah suction power. The instruction manual does reference mounting brackets and screws, but it is for a different base that is not included with this model. The instructions include information on both bases. Cyclonic action helps to keep the filter clean and power strong. Translucent bagless dirt bowl, easy to see dirt and empty. Rotating slim nozzle for a variety of applications. Removable, washable bowl and filters for thorough cleaning. It takes 4 hours to charge, and users generally report 10 to 12 minutes of use before requiring a charge again. Third pick in our list is Bucketland Vacuum Cleaner. The car vacuum cleaner makes your cleaning process effortless. Its weight only 1.76 pounds, both elderly and the young can grab and control and won't cause hand or arm fatigue as you clean. Moreover, the power cord is up to 16.4 feet, which is enough to easily reach the trunk of even a bigger size car and aid with maneuvering. Durable and reusable triple HEPA filter. Triple HEPA filter helps to easily improve the cleaning performance. The enhanced filter can separate garbage from the air and provide you with fresh air. Large capacity and detachable dust cup. The oversized dust cup can help you greatly save cleaning time. Bucketland Car Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with a transparent dust cup, which is easy to monitor and reduces the trouble of assembly. Meet your various cleaning needs. It includes multiple extension tubes and 2 different brush nozzles to ensure that you can clean all areas of the car. The included carrying bag makes it easy to pack this vacuum in the car in a tidy way. Number 4 in our side is Bissell Aero Slim Cordless Handheld Vacuum. When you need a solid but compact car vacuum, Bissell offers the Aero Slim Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Every Bissell purchase helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Lithium-ion battery provides up to 12 minutes of cordless cleaning power for quick cleanups almost anywhere. Compact enough to store, clean and charge in your car or office. The Aero Slim Handheld Car Vacuum has a 7.2 volts lithium-ion battery. There are up to 12 minutes of cordless cleaning power before you need to charge via the included USB charging cable or traditional wall charger. Either way, your vacuum will let you know when it's time for a battery boost with the built-in battery indicator lights. Special features designed for effective cleanings, like dual-level filtration with a washable filter and Bissell's signature Easy Empty Dirt Bin. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best handheld car vacuum list is VacLife cordless vacuum cleaner. This handheld vacuum VL189 is cord-free and hassle-free, which gives you more convenience to your cleaning work. The lightweight and cordless design of this hand vac helps free your movement to everywhere for cleaning your stairs, kitchen, car, or hard-to-reach corners. This small vacuum cleaner cordless can help you to do all-around cleaning with powerful motor and long battery life. The portable vacuum cleaner cleans dust, crumbs, pet hair from carpets, kitchen, living room and offices with outstanding performance. This handheld cordless vacuum is equipped with 2 different attachments to better meet your cleaning needs. The brush tool can loosen hair and dust which is stuck in objects for better cleaning. The crevice nozzle tool can be used to clean sofas, crevices and corners. This vacuum handheld features a bright LED light which is helpful for the dark cleaning and corner cleaning. Turn on the LED light to light up the place you need to clean, making the cleaning work easier. This portable vacuum cleaner for home is great for your family. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.